Pierre Dardaguet or Dardaguet, died 1736, said to be a Canadian, was the younger brother of Diron Dardaguet. As an officer in the French army in 1730, Pierre was mentioned in dispatches for brilliant valor during the Natchez War, Gayarre page 441, after which Périer appointed him to rebuild Fort Rosalie, Wallace page 288. In 1734 Bienville sent him to Fort de Chartres with the rank of major to command the Illinois district of the Province of Louisiana. In 1736 Dardaguet led a force of French and Illini against the formidable Chickasaw during the Chickasaw Wars. His impetuous attack at Ogoula Tchetoka on 25 March 1736 was crushed. Some accounts say Dardaguet died on the battlefield, others state Dardaguet was captured with 18 other Frenchmen and burned alive in the Indian fashion. External links: Bienville's report of Dardaguet's attack on Ogoula Tchetoka. Pierre Dardaguet profile and videos, Chickasaw.tv. References: Gayarre, Charles, 1851. Louisiana, Its Colonial History and Romance. Harper and Brothers. Pages 476-495. OCLC 13,850,788. Wallace, Joseph, 1893. The History of Illinois and Louisiana under the French Rule. R. Clark and Company, OCLC 17,003,743.